Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, slowly but surely, what happens is that some of the settings are slowly moving towards the Settings app from the control panel. And it's a very slow process. I mean, the Settings app has been introduced something like 13 years ago when Windows 8 appeared. And it's very, very slow process for moving settings from the control panel. So one of the settings that was moved partly was, of course, the mouse pointer and the mouse, settings. Well, more mouse pointer and touchpad settings are moving towards the Settings app now, as shown by Phantom of Earth on Twitter, and of course, or on X. And so, new settings and new ways of playing around with the different mouse pointers and their icons and what they look like is, of course, being shown. And there's, of course, new panels of the different pointers, what they look like. You can browse and change it to something else. So they are getting a little more interesting in there. And, of course, more and more mouse settings will be moving on. A lot of people are not necessarily fond of this because a lot of people still enjoy, the control panel. But in, terms of usability, having two panels where settings are is not really the best option. I actually find that the Settings app is way more organized than the control panel ever was. And it is a good idea to slowly move things around and make sure that, we do have these settings slowly moving there. Is the control panel going to go away someday? I don't know, but I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. I don't even think it's going to happen in Windows 12. So at least they are slowly playing and trying to do things right. So Phantom of Earth, if you want to see some of the new features, some of the discoveries that he makes, is a good place to start on X, as he always has these very interesting info about Windows itself and new features coming. These, by the way, are in insider builds, but they are hidden, so they have to be turned on if you want, because they are not visible even on the insider rings right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.